Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Hope all are doing well. I'm so happy to know that many people wanted to hear from me. Thank you all for the support. For those who are new to the channel, I'm Suma Babu, the artist behind Palette Life. If you like everything about art and want to practice some, you are in the right place. The tips I'm sharing through my videos are the things worked out for me. Hope it is helpful to you as well. Just wanted to show one interesting thing to you all. This is the view I can see from my balcony, a field full of wildflowers. They are self-seeding plants. Comes back in the season every year. A lovely sight. There came an idea of doing a tutorial on flowers. Let's have some fun today. Today's topic is the color blending. What is blending and why it is important to learn color blending? Blending is a painting technique where two different colors are slightly mixed together, giving a smooth transition from one color to the next. As you all know, painting is an arrangement of different colors put together. We place some colors smoothly, whereas in some other areas we give a patchy effect to convince the subject. Means, look at this picture. Even if I use same colors for the drapery and for the background, their application technique is different. So they look different. I would like to share some basic practices of color blending in this video. Depending upon the medium we use, the blending technique differs. One commonly asked question by beginner artists are how to do smooth pencil shading. To accomplish that, we should shade evenly, then we have to blend that area properly. This is the value scale. Those who don't know about the concept, check my video on value scale. Shared the link in the description box. Okay, we'll do some blending here. We can use different blending tools for that. Especially for pencil, blending stumps are available. They comes in different sizes. We can also use some household items like cotton cloth, tissue paper, earbud, painting brushes, etc. for blending. One can blend with their fingertips also. Normally, depending upon the size of the area we have to blend, we choose the tool. Let's do some flower shading. We have to sketch one flower on the paper very lightly, erase all the unwanted lines, then start shading. Try to give an even pressure throughout the process. We can shade a petal in different ways. It could be like darker edges and lighter mid portion, or else down portion of the petal with a darker shade and the up portion with lighter shade, or vice versa also. This is a very basic way of shading. I'll make a detailed video later. Normally we can blend oil pastels with tissue paper, cotton cloth and earbud like we used with pencil, or we can use some solvent. Just mix equal amount of linseed oil and distilled turpentine to make the solvent. The pressure on the tool you use to blend oil pastels will be different from pencil. There is a chance of chipping off the pastel color from paper if you use more pressure. So take proper care about it. We'll try one lotus with oil pastel. First, as usual, sketch the flower you wish to make and trace with black sketch pen. Then start coloring. I'll show some blending with paint also. You can use flat brush for that. Don't worry about the size of the brush. Under number 6, any flat brushes will do. You should know one thing here. Bigger the size, larger area we can cover. Take the light and the dark shade of any color in the palette. Apply both the colors separately where you want to apply, leaving some space in between, and spread that colors evenly. Use one clean wet brush to blend the area in between. It may take some time to get control over the brush. Don't worry, keep practicing. Let's see how to paint a sunflower with paint. Hope you like the video. If you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe, like and share. Hit that bell icon to get notification. Thank you for watching and keep painting.